The National Executive Committee of the Nigeria Democratic Congress (NDC) has ratified all actions taken by the party's National Working Committee regarding the conduct of recent primaries and congresses nationwide. The decision was reached during the party's NEC meeting, where leaders also reaffirmed party unity and outlined plans for electoral reforms ahead of future elections. Addressing party leaders and stakeholders, NDC presidential candidate Peter Obi urged all aspirants to accept the outcomes of the primaries and remain committed to the collective vision of building a better Nigeria.
And this party is about 90 days old. And within these 90 days, we've gone through convention, through primary, to another special convention, and this. It is not easy. Like Peter said, these are things that have lasted for years. Find it difficult to go through. Please, I'm begging all of us to be able to be more tolerant, understanding, and sacrifice as we go through.
The meeting also featured the unveiling of an electronic voting reform initiative by Senator Seriake Dickson, who said the NDC is positioning itself as a model for transparency, innovation, and internal democracy.
And I want to say that we thank all of you for accepting. We thank them for accepting to serve, and we look forward to them getting reports from all the states and the National Vice Chairman guiding them in their zones.
Party leaders commended the National Working Committee, electoral committees, and state chairmen for the peaceful conduct of the primaries across the country. National Chairman Senator Cleopas Moses described the exercise as one of the most orderly internal electoral processes in recent political history. National Secretary Barrister Ikenna Morgan presented a summary of previous deliberations and outlined key resolutions reached by the party leadership. The committee also reviewed aspects of the Electoral Act and INEC guidelines, expressing concerns that certain provisions may be unfavorable to opposition political parties. Former Deputy Senate President Ovie Omo-Agege moved a motion reaffirming party supremacy, while another motion on party discipline was presented by Deputy National Chairman South, Comrade Babatunde Fred Ali. Both motions received overwhelming support from NEC members. The meeting attracted prominent party leaders from across the country and concluded with renewed commitment to unity, discipline, and democratic values. Benita Ibrahim for UTV Africa.